Ever struggled with keeping your car spotless on the go? Tired of crumbs, dirt, and pet hair taking over your seats and floor mats? What if I told you there's a portable solution designed to make car cleaning quick and easy? Let's explore its features, performance, and why it stands out. BLACK+DECKER HNV220BCZ10FF Handheld Vacuum is your ultimate cleaning companion. Product features. This vacuum cleaner comes equipped with essential components such as an on-off switch, bowl release button, dust bowl, charger, charging bracket, brush tool, crevice tool. Product description. This vacuum has lightweight and portable design with washable bowl including pre-filter plus filter, translucent bagless dirt bowl, and built-in crevice tool. About product. This cleaner product is designed for automobile. The BLACK+DECKER Dust Buster is a cordless handheld vacuum with strong suction and a long-lasting lithium-ion battery. Its cyclonic action keeps the filter clean. The lightweight design, washable filter, and dirt bowl make maintenance simple. Assembly. Mark-based charger screw holes on the wall. Mount the charger bracket and hang the vacuum on the hooks. Charging the battery. Always place the appliance on the charging bracket when not in use. For charging, place it on the base charger, plug it in, and charge for at least 9 hours. The red LED lights up while charging and turns off when done. How to use. Press and hold the on-off button to turn on. Release to turn off. Ensuring a firm grip for better control. Gently glide it over surfaces to pick up dust and debris, using the nozzle to access tight spaces and corners. If your model includes attachments like a brush, attach them for enhanced cleaning of upholstery and narrow areas. Move the vacuum steadily for optimal suction. How to empty the vacuum. Press the release button and remove the dust bowl. Empty it by pulling out the filter. Insert clean filter back into the bowl and push the bowl back until it clicks. Nozzle or accessories. It may include brush tool for furniture and stairs, crevice tool for tight spaces. Insert the accessory into the front and push it in fully. Safety precautions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative content. Thanks for watching!